Hey traders, so far this morning in the market we have had a bearish structure, but we've seen, actually detected, bullish trend traders. Let's go look at the charts and see if we can find them on the charts. So the first one I want to look at is tension. Tension is the analysis of the configuration of McClellan momentum numbers on the New York Stock Exchange on a 30-minute periodicity. So let's take a look at that. What's happened here is when tension stays above zero, we get bullishness. When it stays below zero, we expect bearishness. And you can see that so far today, we have seen the market appear to stay under zero and give us that bearish look. Now, if the market can hold tension under zero and we do something like this, that would be bearish, and it would give us a bearish trending mindset. We'd start looking at it that way. But what we need to see to establish an actual trend is actually see the traders. How do we do that? So let's take a look at momentum, and you could see that this morning we had some nice strong momentum. It was like 80 at the open, but decay. Oh, what's decay? Decay is the hidden energy inside of this number. When decay is negative, it pulls down on momentum. When it's positive, it pulls up on momentum. So you can see here that decay was negative this morning, drove us down. When momentum went negative, right here, you see that? The market bought it up right there. So when people saw the negative numbers, they sold, they provided liquidity, and the trend traders bought it up. This is bullish. We have buyers while we're in a bearish structure. So keep that in mind. We have this sort of conflict. The next thing we need to do is to test the resolve of the bears. How do we do that? Since we've already tested the bulls and they're here, we need to test the bears and see if they are here. So the way that's going to look is decay coming up here and getting positive. Remember, decay would pump positive energy into momentum. So if we get that positive number and the market sells that off, the market didn't like having positive numbers pumped into momentum, and that would show us that the bears are here. Also, having tension test zero and having the market sell that off would be a bearish trending behavior. So we're getting very close here to seeing the market test to see if there are bears in this market. If the bears can hold on to it, then we'll have a bearish trending mindset showing up. Pricing looks good and things could become bearish. Otherwise, we're still in the ranging mindset, which means the market will, go back and forth between the traders. It will gap in the direction of tension and some other things. I just wanted to structure this for you really clear here so you can see that we have had buyers this morning in a bearish structure. We still haven't seen the bears yet. So keep that in mind going forward. And if you have questions about this, send me a message. Anywhere you can find me, Twitter, YouTube. You can go to bacontrading.com to check out these indicators or to read some of the documentation to get a better feel for it. There's a few of these charts are up live for free on the webpage. So go check them out. They're free. Thanks for showing up. I'll see you next time, and good luck trading.